I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning. It makes me feel so refreshed and ready for the day.
Morning. I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning. I wash my face with cold water.
I eat breakfast with my family.
He reads a book every night.
I am cooks dinner in the evening.
She cooks dinner in the evening. They study English every day. Yeah, it's a great habit.
She writes notes in her notebook.
I go to work every morning. I walk in the park. She sits on the chair. The teacher stands in the classroom.
He runs in the morning.
They talk with friends. We should do it again sometime. I'd love that.
They watch TV in the evening. He drives a car to work.
He listens to music.
He closes the window.
She opens the door. She buys vegetables from the market.
Here you go, fresh and crisp.
Thank you.
He carries a heavy bag.
She works in an office.
Children play in the park.
The baby sleeps peacefully.
She smiles at the camera.
They laugh together.
They learn English every day.
He cleans the room.
She helps her mother. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome, Mom.